So the reason we put this into the freezer is because we want to get it cold, because we're going to use that coldness to close our pores. So I'm just going to rest this on my face and just allow that cold feeling to close my pores and just seal all that great moisture in. All right, so on to this next step, right? This would be a step that I would actually do while my face mask is on, but I forgot. So I'm just exfoliating my lips. I'm just gonna scrub that dead skin off and wipe it off, just wash it off and apply some Fenty lip balm, and honey, I am good to go. So ladies, let me know, how do you like this skincare routine? Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you like this video, and ladies, leave me a comment below if you liked this video. Yes, honey. Skin clean, skin glowing, lips popping. Guess how old I am? Can you let me know? Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, I will see you beauties later. Until then, bye-bye.